Imagine this. You're wrenched from a deep sleep by a sudden, searing cramp in your leg, a brutal reminder of your body's discomfort. Then there's that frustrating, wired feeling where your mind races relentlessly, refusing to quiet down, leaving you exhausted yet unable to find true rest. And perhaps you felt that unnerving flutter in your chest, a phantom tremor that appears without warning, adding another layer of unease to your day. For millions of us navigating the years after 60, these aren't just fleeting annoyances. They are significant signals, potent whispers from your body, indicating a profound, hidden deficiency that is quietly, insidiously sabotaging your well-being. This crucial deficiency is often overlooked, lost in the hurried 15-minute slots allotted for doctor's visits, leaving many feeling helpless and without answers. In my work dedicated to helping seniors rediscover their lost vitality, I've consistently found one of the most common yet criminally under-addressed issues to be a critical lack of what I've come to call the master calming mineral, magnesium. Today, I'm going to unveil the single most powerful food group that is so incredibly dense with this essential mineral. It holds the potential to single-handedly help you regain control over your sleep, soothe your muscles, and restore a steady rhythm to your heart. We're not talking about expensive, potentially difficult to digest pills. Instead, we're discussing a simple, natural food that is likely already residing in your pantry, waiting to be utilized. And you will absolutely want to stay with me until the very end, because after I reveal this remarkable solution, I will expose the 3 insidious magnesium thieves that are likely lurking in your kitchen right now, silently draining your body of this vital nutrient every single day. Before we dive into this crucial information, I want to hear from you, our incredible community. In the last month alone, which of these experiences have you encountered? Have you been plagued by leg cramps, struggled with poor sleep, or noticed an unsettling racing heart? Please take a moment to type cramps, sleep, or heart in the comments below. Your input is invaluable, helping our community visualize just how widespread these challenges truly are. This isn't a minor inconvenience, it's a quiet epidemic affecting a significant portion of our population. Shockingly, up to 60% of adults are not getting adequate amounts of magnesium, and for those of us over 60, this number is very likely even higher. I recall one of my patients, a retired librarian named Robert, who articulated his experience perfectly. He described feeling as though his body's internal wiring was frayed, his muscles would twitch involuntarily, his sleep was a complete disaster, and he lived with a constant, unexplainable low-level anxiety. Despite eating what he considered a healthy diet and maintaining an active lifestyle with regular walks, he was missing the one mineral that orchestrates over 300 essential functions within the body. When magnesium levels dip too low, your muscles lose their ability to relax, leading to those excruciating cramps that steal your peace. Your nervous system, deprived of its natural calming agent, struggles to settle, manifesting as anxiety and persistent insomnia. And the electrical rhythm of your heart, so crucial for its steady function, can become unstable, triggering those unnerving palpitations. The result is a pervasive feeling of fatigue, stiffness, and being constantly on edge, all without ever truly understanding the underlying cause. So, why is this deficiency so rampant, particularly within our age group? There are 3 powerful forces conspiring against us. Firstly, as we age, our bodies naturally become less efficient at absorbing magnesium directly from the food we consume. Secondly, many common medications, from those prescribed for blood pressure to medications for acid reflux, have been shown to actively deplete our body's magnesium reserves. And thirdly, the relentless presence of chronic stress acts as a voracious consumer of magnesium. Think of magnesium as the calm, authoritative manager of your body's complex systems. It's the mineral that signals your muscles to release tension, encourages your nerves to settle into a state of quietude, and ensures your heart beats with a steady, consistent rhythm. When this essential manager is absent or insufficient, a state of internal chaos inevitably ensues. This is precisely why nutrition experts now believe that while the generally recommended daily intake for magnesium hovers around 420 milligauss for men and 320 milligauss for women, those of us over 60 may actually require between 500 and 700 milligauss daily. This higher intake is necessary simply to counteract these pervasive forces and maintain optimal bodily function. This is precisely where food, and one specific food group in particular, emerges as our most potent and natural medicine. We are not going to simply discuss one magical food. Instead, we are going to construct a comprehensive and powerful magnesium-boosting plan. Consider it a well-coordinated team, featuring several key players and one undisputed champion that reigns supreme. To begin, let's lay the foundation with your supporting cast. The foods that should be a regular presence on your plate. Kicking off this foundational group are the dark leafy greens, with spinach leading the charge. A generous cup of cooked spinach can provide approximately 157 mg of magnesium, which is truly excellent. However, here's a crucial piece of wisdom that many people remain unaware of. Raw spinach contains natural compounds called oxalates, which can hinder the absorption of magnesium. The elegantly simple solution: always cook your spinach. Whether you steam it or saute it, this process effectively breaks down these oxalates, unlocking the full magnesium potential for your body to utilize. Next, we have some truly delightful news: avocados and dark chocolate. Incorporating half an avocado into your diet can provide a significant boost of this mineral. And for those with a sweet tooth, a modest 1-ounce portion of high-quality dark chocolate with a cacao content of 70% or higher can surprisingly deliver over 60 milligrams of easily absorbable magnesium. Moving on to the power players, these are the foods that truly begin to move the needle on your magnesium intake. I'm referring to nutrient-dense legumes like black beans, and the rich benefits of fatty fish such as salmon. A single cup of black beans can pack an impressive 120 milligauss of magnesium. The key to maximizing this benefit lies in proper preparation. Soaking your beans overnight and then cooking them in a pressure cooker can significantly reduce the presence of naturally occurring anti-nutrients called phytates, making the abundant magnesium far more accessible and bioavailable to your body. Salmon, in addition to its magnesium content, offers the powerful benefits of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, which work synergistically with magnesium to help calm and regulate your entire system. If this comprehensive plan is already providing you with a sense of clarity and a genuine spark of hope, please take a moment to click that like button. It's a simple gesture that plays a vital role in ensuring this crucial information reaches more seniors who desperately need it. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Sound Advice for a consistent stream of trusted health wisdom. Now that we've assembled our formidable team, it's time to introduce the undisputed champion, the #1 food group for magnesium: seeds. Seeds are, without a shadow of a doubt, nature's most concentrated and readily available source of this master mineral. Let's highlight the star player in this category: pumpkin seeds. A mere quarter cup, which is roughly a small handful, of pumpkin seeds can deliver nearly 200 micrograms of magnesium. That's almost half of your entire daily requirement in a single, delicious snack. I consistently advise my patients to keep a small jar of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds on their counter and to sprinkle them liberally over their yogurt, salads, oatmeal, or simply enjoy them by the handful. But if pumpkin seeds are the star player, then there is another seed that stands as the undisputed GOAT, the greatest of all time when it comes to magnesium content, and that is hemp seeds. Gram for gram, hemp seeds are one of the richest sources of magnesium on the entire planet, with some analyses indicating levels as high as 700 milligrams per 100 grams. You certainly don't need to consume that much. Simply incorporating 2 to 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds into your morning smoothie can provide a massive magnesium boost of over 150 mg to kickstart your day. Now that you are armed with the knowledge of how to effectively flood your body with this essential mineral, it is equally crucial to understand what insidious forces are actively robbing you of it. There are 3 primary culprits: often referred to as white thieves, that are unfortunately prevalent in most modern diets. Thief number one is white sugar. Every single time you consume sugar, your body is forced to dip into its precious magnesium stores to process it. Sugar itself provides